Welcome everyone. The question is the position vector of the center of mass. So here we have to find out the center of mass of an asymmetric uniform bar of negligible area of cross section as shown in the figure. So here in the figure, this basically the red portion shows this asymmetric bar. Asymmetric means the mass distribution is not asymmetric. The shape of the bar is asymmetric. Okay. So here we have considered that the mass distribution is symmetric. So we can say if it is a bar of length 12, then its center of mass is at this position, and along x axis it is L, and along y axis also it is L. Along x axis L, along y axis L, so it is at L comma L. Now there is another bar from here to here. If I just say it is AB portion, this is for the BC portion, and that is for the CD portion. So for the BC portion, S is also at the midpoint. So we can say that Y is L by 2. So what is the value of X? X is 12. So it is 12 comma L by 2. And here it is here. So 12 to 3L, the length is capital L. So here to here it is L by 2. So 12 plus L by 2, x coordinate is 5 L by 2 and y coordinate is 0 because it is on the x axis. Okay. So if I try to find out the center of mass of this configuration, we can say here is one particle, here is another one particle, here is another one particle. So three particles are situated at these three positions, which are basically representing the portion AB, the portion BC and the portion CD. Okay. So now if I just write down, that is R1, which is basically representing the center of mass of the AB portion of the bar, and that is L I cap plus L j cap. Now in case of the BC portion, if I just denote it by R2, that is 2L I cap plus L by 2 j cap. Okay. So this is the center of mass of this BC portion. So after that R3 vector, so R3 vector will be for the center of mass of the CD portion, that is 5L divided by 2 I cap plus 0 j cap. So this is the thing. So now just think, if I consider the mass distribution is uniform, so here it basically from here to here the length is 12. So we can say it comprises the mass 2m. Here to here the length is L. So it basically comprises the mass m, and from here to here the length is again L. So it comprises the mass m. Okay. So the mass of the AB portion is 2m, mass of the BC portion is m, and the mass of the CD portion is m. So now I am writing down the formula of the center of mass. Okay. For the AB portion, M1 R1 vector, for the BC portion M2 R2 vector, for the CD portion M3 R3 vector, divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3. So M1 is 2m, this is 2m, R1 vector is L I cap plus L j cap, M2, that is the BC portion. So the m mass is capital M, and the R2 vector is 2L I cap plus L by 2 j cap, M3 portion is M, M3 portion is M, R3 is 5L divided by 2 I cap plus of 0 j cap, divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3, that is 2m plus m plus m, 2m plus m plus m. Okay. So here is 2m plus m is 3m, 3m plus m is 4m. So I can just write it down, it is 1 by 4 if I divide by 4m, not 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 2 by 4 is 1 by 2, L I cap plus L j cap. Here I can write down 1 by 4, 2L I cap plus L by 2 j cap. Here if I divide by 4m, then it will be 1 by 4, 5 L by 2 I cap plus 0 j cap. So if I take all this I cap common, so we get 3 terms. If I get all these j cap common, then we get 3 terms. That is L by 2. From here it will be again L by 2. 12 by 4 is L by 2. Here it is 5L by 8. 5L divided by 8. And in case of the j cap, here it is L by 2. Here it is L by 8. And here it is 0. So if I do the simplification, 8 will be the LCM, it is 4, it is plus 4 plus 5, L I cap, and here 8, so it will be 4 plus 1 L j cap. So 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, so it will be 13 by 8 L I cap. 4 plus 1 is 5, so 5 divided by 8 is j cap. So here it is represented as x cap. So the first option is correct, because 13 by 8 L x cap or I cap, the unit vector along the x axis, and 5 by 8 j cap, the unit vector along the y axis. So the option A is the correct option. So what we have considered, I just repeat again. Here I am representing this AB portion, a bar of length 12, by simply a particle of mass 2m and at this particular point. Here this AB portion is represented by simply this particle, this BC portion is represented by simply this particle of mass m located at this position, and the CD portion is represented by a particle of mass m located at this length. Okay, so I am basically representing this asymmetric uniform bar as a 3 particle, and after that I am finding out the center of mass by using this formula. Thank you all of you.